back to the channel, guys. We're going to show you today how to do a garden, aren't we?
Yep. Yeah.
And what's this method called? Do you remember what it was called? It's called gelkultur. Gelkultur, I think.
A bug just touched your head.
Oh no. It was called gelkultur. And it's been used in Europe for hundreds of years.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever heard that before.
I hadn't really heard of it either, but with these kind of raised beds, they're so tall that this soil right here is pretty expensive. It's about $8 or $9 a bag. So I've never tried this method before. I've tried raised bed gardening. I've done the Back to Eden gardening, which didn't work very good. We did a raised bed like this at our old house, just a small one, but I think we put rocks and stuff in the bottom and then just filled it up with dirt. But this kind of is a little bit different method, maybe a little bit better use of material. So I'll show you how this works. Let's get started.
Plant flowers in this bin, and maybe vegetables in these two bins.
Oh, okay. Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah, or maybe the flowers can be in the middle and the vegetables can be on.
That's a good idea. All right, so the first layer we put down is big chunks of wood. The next layer is slightly thinner stuff, and then it goes into mulch, and you can use straw. You can pretty much use whatever you want, but the idea is that this stuff breaks down really slow. The next layer up breaks down a little quicker, and then you put your topsoil, mulch, whatever else you're going to plant into, and then it saves you a whole bunch of money in expensive organic topsoil.
Maybe you can hold it for the next round. Are you excited, Maddie? Yeah, I'm excited. Can I help you?
Careful though, you don't want to put your eye with this stick.
Alright, now we're putting in the dirt.
What's happening here? First off, what happened here? Where did this come from, this tree?
Well, it came from something that we bought, and
planted it?
It probably came from Home Depot. But do you know what these are called?
I don't know which one. What do we have on here? What happened? Look at over here.
These.
It already has fruit on it. Is that a plum?
Yeah.
Look at right here. Did you see that one?
Yeah. It's called a cocktail tree.
It's a cocktail tree, yeah. It's got it's grafted into how many different fruits?
I think so. It's plums.
Yeah.
Apricots, peaches, and what else?
I don't know, but now that you said peaches, I bet that's a peach. What do you think? Because it's fuzzy.
Yeah.
Let's see what goes with carrots. Beets. We should get some. Do we have beet seeds still? Carrots, turnips.
I thought we did.
Something I've never heard of. Parsnips, radishes, rutabagas. Over here.
So two.
This one. And then one more. Uh-oh, wrong spot.
Oh no, they're gonna grow.
There, and then put that one over here. 1, 2. Okay. Ta-da. Okay, so that's that one.
So you got those in there?
Now this one we're gonna do 2, 2, 2. Is that right?
Mm-hmm. That one.
Huh?
Which one's gonna grow first?
I think this one, because we did this one first.
Yeah.
You want to put them in? With that hole?
Okay. So how do you
Good.
go?
2 in there.
So 1, 2.
Okay, Maddie, and then these 2 go in that hole. That one. Good. Okay, so now we need to very gently the dirt over the top. Mm-hmm. Good job. Good. Next.
Yeah.
There's 2 more.
Good job.
Okay, so that's the tomatoes. We'll
Natural
see how that
gardeners.
goes. Yeah, these are like, we didn't do starts, so we're just going for it.
Oh, yeah, that was fun.
Getting in there.
You've done that before, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Are these edible that you can actually eat?
It wouldn't taste real good. You can probably eat them.
Yeah.
Okay, there's that.
Then we cover the
We've
holes.
never had the best of luck with cucumbers, but
Yeah.
we're in a totally different.
Then we put a hole.
Okay, do you want to cover them up now?
Yeah.